back to another video. Let me know if the quality got any better, but I just got a GoPro, so yeah, let me know if the quality got any better. I'm hoping it did. But just testing out a GoPro today. Very early. It's kind of cold for me. In Sacramento, it's 42 degrees out. Pretty cold for me. I'm like shaking over here. But we're gonna go meet up with Keegan now. About a 5-minute drive to Safeway. Yeah, so see you guys when we meet up with Keegan. Guys, I found him. Found him over there. Mr. Keegan. Found him. See, he noticed I'm here. He should notice I'm here. There you go. There we go. Gap cam. double GoPro now. We're going crazy. What? Content brothers out here, bro. All right. Well, hopefully Nigel's up and awake. Is he? Yeah, I like that screen on yours that I don't get though. I have in store for you guys today. All right. Well, first things first. I'm testing out this GoPro. It looks really nice on this camera, and I know the screen actually isn't as good as like just looking it on the computer. Like after you render it and all that stuff, it looks pretty good. But hopefully shooting 4K now compared to my iPhone. I've been using my iPhone before. But all right, what's going on? So me and Keegan are meeting up with Nigel. He's gonna be at a Starbucks somewhere about 15 minutes from us or so, and then we're gonna head up a little farther up north to go hit a Cars and Coffee, Folsom Car and Coffee. If you guys are from Sacramento, you guys probably know what that is. Alright bro, per usual, Nigel didn't show up because you know, he didn't set his alarm. Now he's gonna show up, but he's gonna be a little late. Oh, there you go, that's the green I want. Right there. Yeah. Actually, you know what the green I really want? Actually, it's a Mini Cooper green. If you know what that looks like. It looks like that basically. Yeah, I haven't been to one of these in a long time, Keegan. Hey, look, it's GoPro and GoPro. GoPro and GoPro. Inception. The quality is so much better. I got some drive-bys that you're going by too, which is great. Everybody's already leaving. Why do we come?
I like the brown.
There you go. Can you get to this level? Goodness gracious.
Oh, okay.
Let's make fun of him for his friends. Where you at? One, get a roll of this chaser going by us. Pretty cool. This is also Mudda's Media's Supra. It's pretty cool.
Ugly.
Go tell him. Like, it's ugly.
It was like fucking the stance community is toxic.
The stance community is toxic. I love those BBSs.
Yeah, those wheels.
Oh my god, my pants. Arma? Just pull them up. Thank you.
Yeah, drink it all. Yeah. Before he can get his pants up.
Alright, thanks. Mudda Media? Mudda Media?
What's up?
Oh, what's up, Jack? I see you a minute. What's up, dude? How are you doing?
Freaking chilling?
Good. How are you guys?
Just hanging out, talking, you know? Yeah, checking out the chaser.
Who is it? Because I saw him on the way. Oh, dude, yeah. Cool. Man? I saw him on the freeway.
Oh, you were in the Golf?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stuck my GoPro out for him.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, it's cold. I'm gonna do it though.
Hey, imagine holding a fucking full gimbal when you're filming cars out the window. I'm literally like, I'll wear like a jacket, gloves, fucking.
Fall out the window.
Yeah, like, oh my gosh, it's freezing. If you don't wear it, by the time you go back in, you're all like frozen and you're stiff. You're like, I can't move my hands.
Like, what comes with the big Aero package too, I remember. Oh, that actually is really rare. That is really rare. There's a lot of C8s, dude. Oh, he's stunning on us, bro. You see all those GoPro? You see all those? He's stunning on us. I think he's at 360 one.
He's fast.
I mean, he's stunning on us. Oh, there's a Shelby over there too. Is he fast? I don't know, but is he stunning on us? Yes. Look at all that.
And his Z06, yeah.
And his Z06, and his orange. Come on, bro. I'm gonna put my GoPro away now. Make something very clear. If you ever drive with Nigel, like if you know you're one of our friends or whatever, you drive with Nigel, you know that you cannot, for the life of him, go the right way. He always makes those wrong turns, like everywhere we go. So it's pretty funny. Like he's throwing in that lane over there. He's probably gonna try to get over, and because we gotta take a left here. I don't usually like cleaning my car. It's just like you know, a fun thing I like doing just to piss off people. And I guess I have fake friends because they don't support it, and they start drawing dicks and stuff on my window. Not the front, but the rear one. They start drawing dicks, and like the roof is all dick drawn. So I guess I'll go and get a car wash. And this is the first time I'm putting this car into Quick Quack, so we'll see how it goes. Hello. You think this will go through? Okay. Is it too low?
It might be a little too low.
Is it too low?
In the front. We can go ahead and see if we can try and get you in there.
Okay.
Just to see if it will.
Okay.
Let me just wait for this car to pull up. Olivia, we're gonna go see if he's able to fit. See if it's too low. So just make sure to hold these cars to get you at the back row.
It's about to hit?
Yeah,
alright.
no problem.
That's what we figured.
No problem.
I've never taken in there, so.
No problem.
That's funny.
I'll have you back out and then I'll have to just go through the emergency exit right there
Okay.
outside, alright? I'm so sorry about that.
No, it's okay. So my car is too low to go through the dry wash, or the car wash. It's too low. Yeah, I had it on recording and everything. They were looking at it. They were like, "Go a little closer. We're trying to see." And I was like, "It's probably not gonna make it." And then she was like, "Yeah, it ain't making it." I was like, "Let's go." Okay, I'm at one of these shell things now. I think this one has a brush on top. So we'll see how this one goes. But yeah, good luck to me. But we'll see how it goes. This one doesn't have any railings or anything, so it should be fine. But it might rip off body panels. Good luck. Alright boys, let's assess the damage. Doesn't look like there's a lot of damage, but it's definitely not clean. Yep, look at this. I mean, the windows are clean, except for the water spots everywhere. That's still all dirty. Bruh. Dirty. The wheels are terrible. Look, it's dirty. Oh, the roof doesn't have a dick on it anymore. Is the front clean? Nope. Bunch of bugs still. Alright, assessing the inside. I don't know if you guys can see on the camera, but it's all dirty. They're hugging each other to hurry up. Even though there's a thing. Anyways, we're on the way to should we gonna hit me? there's a van. I don't know if you guys can see the van. It's so far back behind us. Nigel like flew past us in front. He's probably so fucking.
Oh, he's like, I'm staying distant.
So there's the IE boys in the house over there. I don't know if I'm really even supposed to be saying this, but I'll probably post this a while from now. But I'm at the drag races right now, and yeah, they actually rented this place out the other night, but the car broke down or something. So they're coming back. Right now it's public, like a public test and tune. So yeah. Where are we supposed to park?
Back there. I was just gonna say hi to that.
Can we park right here real quick?